Why, happy Tuesday, students of Earth and Fire. It's good to be back with you all. Even though we're not back, we're still back. So I look forward to hearing about your spring breaks. Hopefully you show up to our afternoon live Google Meet sessions this week where I can hear about your spring breaks and what you did or what you didn't do or how you did this really fun thing even though you're at home, or I don't know. I want to hear about the ups and the downs. I care about you. I care about your lives. So hopefully you show up and we can talk. But for today, I just wanted to get you reacquainted with the system and the schedule that we will be using in this class. So if you're Fire, go ahead and look up here. Monday, it's going to look a little bit like this. Monday's mostly your live time. I'll put up a pretty easy assignment on Mondays, and that's basically just so you can catch up, kind of give you an easy, slow start to the week. But Tuesday through Friday, every day, between 8 and 8:30, I want you to check the email in Google Classroom. If you're up that early, I would encourage you to get up nice and early if you can, just because it's good to get a good start on these things, and that's when I can send you emails that'll help you most throughout the day to give you a lot of time to work on the assignments. So I'd recommend getting up then, checking your assignment. From 9:30 to 10:30, you have a live advisory with Mr. Seawalt, not with me, because you are not my advisory class if you're Fire. Then you have some work time. Then you have a Google Meet with Mr. Seawalt from 11 to 11:30. Then you should go eat lunch. And by 1:30 to 2, that's when you have your Google Meet with me. All right, so if you're Fire, this is your schedule. Just stick to that. You will be successful. Earth, I'm scrolling down here. These are for all my Earth kids. Your schedule's a little different, so pay attention. Monday, same type of thing. We'll give you an easy day. At least I will. I think Mr. Seawalt plans on giving you an easy day on Mondays as well. But Tuesday through Friday, 8 a.m., that's when I send out the email and post everything to Google Classroom. So a lot of you get started right then. I appreciate that. My schedule's a little different. At 9 o'clock, that's when I am going to have a Padlet up every single day. I ask that you contribute to the Padlet every single day. That's what counts as your advisory grade. 1 to 2 days a week, I will be continuing to do Instagram Live. I took a little break for spring break, but I'm going to be back at it this week, so get ready. All right, 9:30 to 11, that's just your work time. I want you to be working. I want you to work hard, either on my class or Mr. Seawalt's. I will be available to answer questions whenever you need, so email me those questions. Same thing for Earth kiddos. You have 11 to 11:30. That's when Mr. Seawalt wants you to Google Meet with him. And from 2 to 2:30, that's when I'm going to ask you Google Meet with me. My Google Meet is not mandatory unless I say so in the email that morning. Most days it's optional. If you need help, please come see me. If you have questions, please come see me. If you just want to talk, please come see me. I do miss talking with you guys. That's the thing I miss most. All right. I hope you had a wonderful spring break. I look forward to seeing you, and I hope this video finds you well early Tuesday morning. All right. Love you guys. Bye.